be making 5 different slime recipes so you don't have to. So let's just straight into the video. Alright, so the first one is a clear blue slime with like a candle layering, which I haven't done ever, so I'm excited to do that. And then we put like a little fluffy slime on top and you let it iceberg. So I'm gonna be doing that one first, and then I'm gonna show it at the end of the video. That way you're forced to watch the entire thing. I'm just kidding, but seriously, I am going to leave it to the end because it has to iceberg. So first thing first, I have to dye the clear slime. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna add this teal. We're gonna go with 2 drops of Slimatory teal food coloring and mix that into some nice clear slime. Okay, it's all done. The next part is the candle part. I need to cut these up, which actually, look at this. Look how cute they are. They're colorful knives. I love this. So, look at my knives. Look at how pretty. This just makes me want to kill someone, but like nicely. I want that like button liked, okay? How do you cut a candle? Okay, this is not safe. Oh, maybe if I just, nope, that's, okay, do we have a hammer? Should I hold this?
No.
It's not, you're dirtying it. Let's maybe like chisel it off like a sculpture. Nope. I think my way was working. This is just squishing. I'm going to slowly but surely get this candle cut.
A few inches later.
Okay, let's put this in the microwave so it's melted. And it's melted. Okay, so this part, I've never done this before. It should be pretty simple though, right? I mean, it's just like pouring candle on the slime. I did it. Okay, so there's bubbles. I don't know why. Okay, while that cools down and like candleifies and, you know, dries up, I'm gonna make the other half, which is the fluffy iceberg part. Usually, I don't condone using clear glue for iceberg because you're adding fluff. And why would you use clear glue? Because it's just gonna get white. But the person used clear glue, so we're gonna be using clear glue. Maybe it makes it fluffier and crunchier. I don't know. We will see though. Some shaving cream. Okay, so I do notice that it's actually like more foamy and more shaving creamy. So maybe clear slime, clear glue is better for fluffy slime. Okay, I'm gonna activate it with a little tiny bottle of Slimatory Pro Activator. Last step. Add a bunch of fluffy slime on top. I think I did it. Now I have to wait a little bit. Usually you'd wait like probably a day or 2 for this, but I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to the end of this video and then we're gonna squish it. But I'm excited for this. Okay, so for this one, it is a little bit more difficult, but I am excited because I've never done anything like this. It is also another iceberg, so I'm gonna do that one now. Basically, I need to grab like jelly cubes and cut them into like circles and then put clear slime and then iceberg slime on top. I feel like it's gonna take me forever, but let's get started. I don't know if my jelly cube sponges are thick enough for these balls, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna cut them into 3s. Okay, this is just gonna take forever.
A few inches later.
Here are my balls. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 12 of them. Let's get started on the slime part though. I'm gonna be using this tie-dye bottle because this dye matches more of the dye that that person had, and we're gonna mix. Here it is. It's a little brighter than I expected, but I like it. So we're gonna add our balls into there and squish that in. I'm done with this portion. Now I gotta let these kind of soak in. They're really freaking satisfying though. Now I'm going to make the top half, which is like fluffy slime, I think. So more fluffy slime. And of course we're using clear glue again. And this one also has like a pink top to it. So I'm gonna add some of this pink dye. This is looking good. Okay, I'm all done with the fluffy slime. I'm just gonna put that on here. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, I'm done with that one. Now we're gonna wait for that to kind of dry up a little bit, and we're gonna get on to the other ones. Next one is just a simple glittery blue slime with these dried soap carvings on top. It's not a very nice slime outcome, I think, because it's soap, but it's very cool ASMR, so we're gonna do that. And I also need to let these soap carvings dry, so I'm gonna make you wait for that too. Okay, we're gonna put 1 drop of Slimatory blue food coloring, and then we're gonna put little sprinkles of soft blue glitter. That should be good. And let's mix. And I'm done. This came out perfect. Like, the glitter is literally a paid actor. We're done with the slime part. We gotta go to the soap part. It smells really good. And then we gotta cut it into these little shavings. I've never cut soap before. I've actually cut a little bit, but never in like little shavings. However, I love soap cutting videos and the little crunchy crunch, but I've never actually done that, so I don't know how well these little shavings are gonna turn out. Okay, here we go. I'm scared though. I'm really scared. It's really satisfying though. I feel like it'd be more satisfying if I shut up, but I'm not gonna. We stop recording. I'm gonna give this to Paul because I know Paul likes to do this.
Yes.
I think he will be able to do it better. He's not scared of cutting himself with a knife because he's done it like 15 times. And we're all done. I mean, Paul's actually all done. He did it all. Anyways, this looks like an apple and I want to eat it, or also a bone, which I also want to chew on it. Next one. Okay, so here's what I gotta do. It's basically a rainbow lemon slice thingy. So, looks really cool. However, I just realized that this person actually used pieces of glass as his fillers. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use fishbowl beads like a normal, sane slime person. I got my clear slime here. I've got this bucket of what's supposed to be slushy beads, but somebody put fishbowl beads in here. And I don't know who or why or what insane person would do that, but I'm gonna use that in this. And that way it's clean. Done with the fishbowl part, and it came out perfect. Now I have to like get out just the middle and then dye that. So I'm just gonna grab that. Okay, we got the inside of it now. I have to dye this into 6 different colors. Green, blue, perfect. So these are pretty light colors, so I'm only gonna add a little bit. We got red there, just want some orange. A little bit of yellow, some green. The green that the person had kind of seemed like it had a little bit of yellow in it, so I am gonna add a little bit of yellow. Blue and purple. They didn't have any pink, unfortunately. Okay, now I mix these all. Done with the red, now we're getting on to the orange. Done with orange, now I'm gonna speed it up and I'm gonna do every other color. All done with all the colors. I am excited because I love rainbows and a rainbow lemon just sounds great. I gotta like squish the middle of this. Okay, I think that's good. Now for the hard part. How did they make it like look like a lemon? Oh my god, I'm scared. How did they do this? They made it look so like simple and I already like, okay. This is so stressful. Somebody help me. Okay, we're just gonna go for it. And if it doesn't look good, that's all right. Am I gonna die? No, I don't think so. Okay, it's looking cool, but like, it's not right. I can tell it's not right and it's not going good. What if I put both of these together at the same time? Like maybe that was the problem this entire time. Watch me. I've gotta fit this into this hole. No! I put the colors wrong! It almost worked. It almost, oh my god, this is the worst. Okay, it's okay. I think I kind of saved it. There you go, right colors. There, I'm done. It looks cute, but it doesn't look as good as the freaking video. I gotta look at that really quick. How did they do that? Okay, I admit, it doesn't look the greatest, but I am happy with it. It's really pretty. It is a rainbow at the very minimum and slime at the very max. I'm happy. I'm using a fork because the person used a fork in the video, but it's not really sounding as like crackly. Oh, that's so cool. It's like a freaking grapefruit. I'm very happy about this. This is what I live for. Okay, absolute 10 out of 10. I love this. If you were to do it, be careful with the actual like triangle making parts. Maybe if I added more beads into this, it would have been like a little bit easier, but I liked it. It was really pretty. Next one. So what we've got here is a bowl of like a pile of rice. Fried rice, shrimp fried rice. I don't know how that shrimp fried that rice, but I don't have any shrimps. So don't know what to do about that, but we're gonna make the rice part, okay? You know, I don't have silicone rice, but I do have regular rice. And I'm pretty sure that's just as good for like one day until it starts to rot and sog up. But for that one day, it was pretty cool. So let's do this. We got all of our stuff here. Let's make our fried rice. Where'd my clear slime? Oh, there it is. We are gonna put some rice in that. Oh, should I have washed it? I don't know what the rules are for when you're putting it in slime. Okay, here is my rice slime. This is really nice. Now we're gonna add our other stuff, our green onion. They used these things specifically, so I bought this specifically. I've never used these in my life before. There we go. Okay, so we got our rice here. Ah, look so cute. They look like little onions. So I'm gonna add a little more onions. This looks like real rice because it literally is real. The next part is what I think to be fried eggs pieces, but they just put like yellow pieces on there. I think it's clay. I don't have clay, but I do have foam sheets that I can cut up. I've made my eggs, my fried eggs. Okay, we mix that up. Oh, I did it. I think it works still. Okay, now I need like pieces of shrimp, which I don't have. Maybe I can use mermaid tails. It's pretty much seafood still, right? Maybe just a fish, maybe a seahorse. All right, we've got a dolphin. That looks like a shrimp. I think we can still eat a dolphin. We're eating dolphins tonight because dolphins aren't really that nice anyways.
They are nice.
They're not.
They are nice.
They bully people, Paul.
Yeah, and so do people bully them. That's why they bully back.
People aren't nice.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying.
Dolphins aren't nice.
No, dolphins are nice.
They're not nice.
They're nice.
Everybody knows this.
It's because people bully them.
No, they don't.
Yeah,
I have a literal video on TikTok right now. This guy was minding his own business, surfing, and one of the dolphins went and just him off.
That's because they're fed up with humans.
They go and bully other fish.
They're fed up with humans.
They go and bully other fish.
Nice.
Here is my slime. I'm very happy with it. This looks so cute. I like this. I thought that rainbow one was good, but look at this. I don't even want to squish this. I just want to keep it, but that was nice. 10 out of 10 for that. I think I may actually have to look into getting some silicone rice granules myself because this is actually so cool and the foam pieces actually turned out much better than I expected. I'm actually gonna wait till tomorrow for these icebergs because it's not iceberging at all. And you guys don't have to wait. I'm gonna have to wait like 10 hours and wake up early. But you are gonna be fine. And we're back. It is time to now do our ASMR on our slimes. I am so excited for this because I've never actually done like an iceberg clear slime on the bottom or candle, but let's do this. First one we have is this blue slime with iceberg and a little layer of candle, which it like sunk a bit. I don't really know why. Probably because I put a thin layer. I don't know, but it looks like it turned out pretty good. So let's poke it. That is actually so freaking cool. Okay, well, if you guys want to make this slime, I definitely recommend 10 out of 10. Only thing, I would be careful with the candle wax because it does get really, really hot. But it is actually so nice. And the little candle wax pieces aren't that annoying. They're a little pokey, but they actually look kind of cool in the slime. Okay, next slime. Next is this, I think it's called a peach tea something. But I am ready to squish these balls. Okay, 10 out of 10. I actually really, really like this. I like all these. These are actually really, really cool. Next slime. Next is this soap carvings one, which I think these should be dry by now. Okay, this one's really, really cool. However, because of the fact that you're adding like soap carvings to it and it starts to kind of like over activate, I'm gonna have to give this one like a 7 out of 10 because I feel like I could fix it. All right, guys, well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you guys comment down below if you can. The comments better be on. Comment down below if you guys want me to do another one of these. This was really, really fun. And I definitely am gonna be doing more candle slimes. Candle top slimes. I'm gonna be doing more of that because that was really fun. And that's it. Love you so much. Really hope I see you next time. Bye.